Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video we'll see how we can deploy the AI models in CVAT on a Windows machine. In CVAT's documentation they have mentioned the CLI method to do it. Now this method goes well with Linux but not with Windows. That's why we will be using a different approach. We'll deploy the models from the Nuclio dashboard. How? Let's find out. Deploying models from the Nuclio dashboard is actually simple than CLI. We just need three things, that is the Nuclio dashboard and the two files that are available for each model called the function.yaml and main.py. So we are in my laptop and I have a Windows 11, but that's no problem. I have already installed the latest version of CVAT. Let's open Chrome and navigate to localhost:8080. So this is our CVAT. I am already logged in. Now if you see the menu bar here, there is no menu called models. That means there is no serverless function running with CVAT. To run the serverless function we need to turn CVAT down and turn it up again with the serverless function. The Nuclio dashboard is available at the address localhost:8070. So let's check it. As you can see, the serverless function is not running, so we'll have to turn it up with CVAT. Now before we do that, let us see how can we get the desired version of the Nuclio dashboard. Go to the CVAT folder that we have cloned while installing. Then in components, serverless, open this file and check the version. This should be 1.8.14. If you have an older version of CVAT, then this might be different for you and you might need to change it. Now save the file and close it. Now open git bash. Cd CVAT. Then docker compose down. Now turn the CVAT up with the command docker compose -f docker compose.yml -f components /serverless docker compose.serverless.yml up -d. This is the exact command you need to execute. Press enter. So our CVAT and our Nuclio dashboard is up now. So let's check it. Let's go to localhost:8070. The project called CVAT is already here. So for you, I will delete it and create it again. Okay, so our project is created and now we'll enter the project and upload the YAML file, the function.yaml file from here. Let's navigate to this folder. Let us now deploy YOLO v5. Now our YAML file is imported. Now let's create the function. So our function is created. Now before deploying it, we'll need the main.py code here. So let's open the main.py file, navigate to CVAT folder. Now we need to grab the entire code from the main.py file. So copy the code and paste it here. Now let's deploy. Our model is successfully deployed. So let's try running the inference now. As we hit refresh, we can see that the models menu is available now. I have created a small task having some traffic scenes. At present, nothing is annotated in this task, so we'll try automatic annotation on it using YOLO v5. So our annotation process is done. We can see that most of the objects are perfectly annotated by YOLO v5. So that's it from this video. This method is also applicable for other OS platforms like Linux and Mac. If you find this video helpful, then please hit a like and share this video as much as possible. See you next time.